Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you pay with PayPal on Amazon. So firstly, log into your Amazon account. Just log into your Amazon account and just purchase any order, like add any product to your cart. I'll just use these AirPods here for just for demo purpose. Right, so I'm going to buy this, so I've added this to my cart. So once you've added to your cart, then just hit on proceed to checkout, where we're going to do the payment. So here, if you see here, so that's my delivery address, everything. But my payment option, if you see, if I change my payment option, I only have the option to use my credit cards or my debit cards, my bank card, or my zip code. I mean my zip account, and also or else the gift card option. So these are the three options that I have, because but I don't see any PayPal option here. This is because PayPal payment is not available in all countries. It's restricted to certain areas only, so certain countries. Like in my place, it's not available, so that's why I'm unable to use PayPal. So what we can do in this case, workaround, is that if you go to this website here, if you go to Dundle, Dundle, just go to dundle.com. So just search Dundle, and then click on the result here, dundle.com. So here, what you can do, you can purchase an Amazon gift card. So just search for Amazon. So you can purchase an Amazon gift card. So click that, and then here, what you can do, you can purchase this Amazon gift card using your PayPal. All right. So you can just click on buy now and then pay using your PayPal account. So you can just buy the card using your PayPal account, and then you can use this card here, this gift card here, to pay the product that you just bought on Amazon. For example, like when you get to your payments page, so under the gift card option here, so you can enter your Amazon gift card number there, and then apply, and then just use the Amazon gift card to pay with it. So indirectly, we are technically like paying with our Amazon gift card, which we purchased using our PayPal, as we can't directly pay through our PayPal on Amazon. So this is the current workaround we have. Just give it a go and see how it works for you. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.